Let's make my honey sesame chicken. This was so easy to make, let's go. Cut your chicken into cubes, season with whatever spice you want, and then use potato starch to lightly bread your chicken. Make your sauce and set it aside. Now let's get to the good part. Shallow fry your chicken and do it in batches, then remove excess oil with a paper towel. Add your sauce and your chicken, mix well, garnish, and enjoy. This was so good, you guys are gonna love it. Follow me for more easy recipes like this. See you next time.